How can we protect ourselves from committing sin? Maybe by wearing an iron shield? Answer is no. Going to the top of a mountain and living there? The answer is no. By not talking to the people? The answer is no. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your fast is the best shield and protector against sin. If you are fasting properly, if you are fasting cleanly, and you're fasting with all the hadiths, how the fast should be made, then you are protected against the sin. Therefore, my brothers and sisters, make sure that your fast contain no holes, means no sin it should be. Your fast should be full of taqwa. Thank you.